Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I don't know how you found me, but I am grateful you are here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese stuffed French toast. And let me show you what ingredients I have. You're going to need a mixer. I'm going to change the recipe I've seen a little bit with brown sugar, and I'm using white cane sugar. I got a tad bit of pet milk left, but I'm going to also add some 2% milk to that for the batter for the French toast. I've got cinnamon, pure vanilla. I'm using 3 eggs, butter, and softened cream cheese that's been out for about 6 hours. And instead of using a fancy bread, I'm going to use sweet Hawaiian rolls. And I'm going to go ahead and I've got a dip, and then I'm going to roll them in cinnamon and brown sugar and serve them like that. So welcome to my channel. I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and a controversial joke. This is a super special breakfast. Cream cheese is stuffed in the middle, and then you fry them, and then you eat them with whatever meat you like. So let me put you guys on pause. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, first I'm going to start with the cream cheese filling. That's 1 8-ounce block of Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to this. Not really measuring anything. Sorry you can't really see it. To this I'm going to add a little bit of the pet milk. I'm going to add about a cup of sugar. And this is where the mixer comes in. You want to mix this until smooth. Okay, so I'm just mixing that until it's really smooth. I'm going to scrape it down with a spatula. This is kind of a special treat to have French toast that's stuffed. And I thought this would be really good, something different for my husband for breakfast. So yeah, I'm just adding, I'm only using pet milk. Normally you can use any kind of milk, but I'm only using pet milk because I had a little bit left when I made my sweet potato pie. You just want this pliable so you can smooth it on the bread. Okay, so that's ready. So next, with the bread. So this is Hawaiian bread. I'm using the rolls. And you're gonna need a serrated knife, or as they call it, a bread knife. Sorry, I forgot my cutting board. So I'm gonna put this on a cutting board. So this will make 12, because it's 12 rolls. So, very carefully, I'm gonna try not to mess this up. You know your girl don't cook much. You wanna slice this in half. Hang on, I should have put a wet towel. Another trick, you want to put a wet towel down under your cutting board. That'll keep it from moving like that was doing, so it'll give me some stabilization so this won't rock like it's rocking. Okay, there we go. Just cut this all the way across. What I'm doing is taking the tops off the rolls, trying not to tear them. So I'm going to go ahead and make the full 12, but I'm going to show you 2 different variations of this to do this. So you'll have an option. Okay. So that came through halfway decent. A couple of them are messed up. So no big deal. So then you take the top off of here. Then just going to remove the tops. From at 6s here. This one will do good. This one didn't pair as well. I didn't cut quite deep enough. But you get the gist of it. It will still taste good, just not as pretty. Yeah, see, those aren't I didn't cut enough off. So here. Okay. And then to this is where you add your cream cheese mixture. You just want to smooth it on. This is your stuffed French toast. Stuffed with cream cheese. I love this. I like French toast better than pancakes, but for me, breakfast is potatoes and eggs. But my husband only likes pancakes and French toast for breakfast. So if you're gonna wake him for breakfast, better be some French toast in there or some pancakes, or you could have left him sleeping. But I want some eggs, go for some fried green tomatoes, all that good stuff. So I got quite a bit left. I'm not gonna use it all. A little bit more in there, like that. And then you replace the tops. If you're good, they should cut perfectly. Cut those ones that was messed up. Put that there like that. Okay. Then you take your knife and you cut them. Gives you 12 mini French toast. I love Hawaiian Rolls. They give it an extra sweetness. And if you don't like them real sweet, you don't have to do a full cup of sugar. But to those that know me, welcome back. You know your girl has an insatiable sweet tooth. And nothing can ever be too sweet for me. So I'm never going to go light on the sugar. This way. Pray, cut all the way to the bottom. Separate these. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so we got to put you guys on pause and get ready for the egg mixture. Okay, the next step is to make the custard to dip the eggs in for French toast. Now I always crack my eggs separately because I want to make sure I don't get a bad egg or get a shell in there. I'm going to use 3 eggs since I have 12 of these little angels to make. And then to this, and I'm just eyeballing this. Everybody makes French toast. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla to this also. And to this, I'm going to add some brown sugar, which is not customary for French toast. Most people just use just white sugar. I'm going to use a little bit of brown sugar to this, but you know I'm extra. Now I like to change up recipes a little bit. And I'm going to add some white sugar, just to sweeten it a little bit. Start that we dip the toast in. Just whisking in some milk, breaking up the eggs. The eggs are all broken up. And I'm not making this very sweet because there's a lot of sugar. That filling is absolutely divine, you guys. You gotta definitely give this recipe a try. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share if your children or family like French toast. This is definitely one for the books. So I'm just mixing that up really well. Okay, and then in here, this has got sugar. I put plain white granulated sugar in here. I'm gonna add cinnamon to this. Around. This is the final step after they've been cooked. Just want to make sure it's good and cinnamon here. Okay, so that's all set. So now I'm going to put my butter skillet and turn that on low. Then at this point, what you do, just mixing this up, take each one of these and dip it in the French toast custard. I'm just sitting them here in the dish because I'm going to fry them. But make sure you coat them on all sides. This will keep your filling from coming out. This seals it. Filling on the side. So, a napkin. Dip this one. Sunday, thought it'd be nice for the holidays. Nice little different take on French toast. I don't know if my husband's ever had this before, but I don't see how he could not love these. Don't worry about your filling coming out during cooking. Take care of that. Okay, so I'm gonna get 6 of these done. Turn the camera around and show you how to cook these up. And just like I said, technically it doesn't take very long. It's just quite a few steps to do this. Okay, so let me turn the camera around and show you the skillet. Okay, I've got butter in my skillet. I'm gonna do these on low. Put these skillet, put the butter. One thing is you have to cook them on all 4 sides. Well, let's just say 6 sides. I'm gonna do 5 at a time. I'm on like a medium-high heat, not real high, but not real low. And at this point, you just cook it like French toast. So they don't stick. Yeah, I love breakfast. It's my favorite meal of the day. I can eat breakfast for dinner. I can eat it. I always have it on Sunday when I'm at work, but I like grits, like I said, or potatoes with my breakfast. And I'm not a big pancake fan, but I do love French toast, probably because it's sweeter from the batter that you add the sugar and everything to. So, just cooking these to their brown. Not quite brown enough. I'm going to cut the heat up a little higher. Because everything is safe to eat except the eggs that I could dump these in. So you definitely want to get the coating of this cooked. Start to turn them over. See how they're getting a brown toast type texture to them. You just keep adding butter to the pan as needed. I'll cook these on a few more minutes on this side. I'm going to put them on the sides. Let's go down a little bit. And make sure you get all 6 sides cooked. See how the batter doesn't leach out from the egg mixture. Eyes up a little high. Keep rotating sides so they're cooked on every side. It only takes a couple minutes. Okay. Okay, we'll put you guys on pause and get the next batch in and show you how we finish this up. Okay, everyone, here's the final step. They're all cooked, and then what you want to do is dip them in the cinnamon and sugar mixture. Put this back so you can see it. Dip them on all sides. And there you have stuffed Hawaiian bread French toast. Hope you guys like this video and give it a try. If they're too sweet for you and you're not a big sugar person like myself, you can definitely omit this step and just add sugar and add syrup and start eating. While they're hot, I had to let them get cool a little bit so I could handle them. And I got a great joke for you guys. And as usual, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I love it responding to all my comments and hearing the tips and the criticism and critiques. All that, I appreciate it all, because I always let you guys know I don't like to cook, don't want to cook, don't have time to cook. But I love to eat. And since I'm still working full-time as a nurse and I work 2 weekends a month, on the Sundays that I'm off, I try and cook my husband a good breakfast or a good dinner. So there you have it. The last one's in here. So yeah, the two ways are not to cinnamon coat them and just eat them, or just cinnamon coat them and add your syrup to them. Make sure you cook them on all sides, just like you would cinnamon toast. They won't be gooey. Okay. So that's the last one. So I'm going to turn the camera around, tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, these are absolutely freaking delicious. They're very, very rich and they are very sweet, but I can handle the sugar. So if you're serving them for family and friends, I would probably eliminate dipping them in the cinnamon and sugar mixture. My husband ate 3. I can only handle 2. I did cook some Bob Evans sausage and I had some leftover honey baked ham that I fried to go along with it. So please give this recipe a try. If they don't love you, I guarantee you they will fall in love with you, especially your children. So let me tell you my joke. If somebody passed out on the floor, someone screams out, "Do we have a doctor here?" Someone says, "Yes, I'm a doctor." "What's your specialty, doctor?" I'm a doctor of mathematics." "My friend is dying," to which the doctor says, "-1. I thought that was pretty funny. So anyway, please like, subscribe, and share. Come back for the next one. I have many, many, many more easy, quick recipes that I think you will enjoy, or your family, friends will also enjoy. So thanks for watching. God bless. I hope to see you on the next one.